What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to KICKnology. It is your boy Truth, and today I have another unboxing for you guys. In 2018, your boy was blessed enough to be able to get his hands on yet another Air Jordan 1 that I was able to add to my collection. And this is an Air Jordan 1 that a lot of people went crazy over. And we're talking about the Air Jordan 1 in the BRED toe colorway. Very dope sneaker, and in the sneaker community, we tend to always say, you know what, consolation prizes. Any way that we can get a consolation prize, especially when we miss on a shoe and it increase in price, we always want a consolation prize. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing and talking about a pretty good consolation prize. You guys comment down below at the end of this video and let me know if y'all think I'm correct. And that's gonna be Air Jordan 1 Low in the BRED toe colorway. Let's talk about it.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got crew, never slack on the fruit. For OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. KICKnology.
Alright, so let's go ahead and take care of this first and foremost. You guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's going to be the button down below. Hit that like button. Comment down below. I would love to interact with you guys. And also head over to IG, follow your boy on IG. Do all those great things to get your boy in the algorithm. Get my videos in the mix to get it out to more viewers. I appreciate that. So like I said, in 2018, Nike hit us with another Air Jordan 1 in a BRED, black, red, and white Chicago type colorway. And that was the Air Jordan 1 BRED toe. Let that focus. All right, there we go. And I was able to get my hand on this sneaker. This sneaker is currently sitting at about $718 dead stock in my size on GOAT and StockX. So if you have your hands on this sneaker, it's a blessing, you know what I'm saying? Quality was A1. And people have been wondering, when is Nike going to give us it back? When are they going to bring it back? But Nike does what they always do. They give us something, but not exactly what we want. They don't give us what we want. You feel what I'm saying? They did hit us with an Air Jordan 1 Low in that classic colorway, and that's what we were talking about today. So as you guys can see right here, we have the Air Jordan 1 Low in the BRED toe colorway. So the quality and all that stuff, we're going to talk about it, but not a bad shoe to have, in my opinion. Very good consolation prize at an affordable price. So let's go ahead and start with this box like we always do. So as you guys can see right here, they did hit us with the black and gold Air Jordan box. They didn't give us that special Jordan 1 boxing like they gave us on the Starfish and the neutral gray, which would have been super dope, especially in this kind of colorway. But as you guys can see right here, this is a size 12 Air Jordan 1 Low, and the retail was $100, gem red, white, and black. So inside of the box, it is that 23 paper, as you guys can see right there. So nothing special about the box. Like I said, they hit us with that BRED toe colorway. We have on the back end of this sneaker, we do have that gem red with the Air Jordan Wings logo that comes on the standard Jordan 1s. Going across the side, we do have that black Nike swoosh, and then the white side panel. So as you guys can see right here, the leather quality, y'all see what it looked like. Reminds me of a Dunk. You got the shiny type leather, as you guys can see, as we go to that black toe color blocking. And then on the toe box, we do have that red colorway, which is the reason why they call it that BRED, because you have that BRED toe colorway and then more of a Chicago type vibe in the back. So as we go on the tongue of the sneaker, you do have that white Jumpman logo right there. On that nylon tongue, you have the black laces. You got the 2-3 right there in the middle. And then on the inside is a black sock liner with the white Jumpman logo, and then on the bottom we do have that gem red colorway as well, man. So yeah, very dope shoe, very well put together. And when you look at it compared to this one, as you guys can see right here, it ain't no difference. The same color blocking. The biggest difference in these shoes is going to be quality, and the fact that this is your convertible and this is not. You feel what I'm saying? So as you look at this one, this is the OG retro high. Look at the leather quality on there. Very good leather quality. As we go around the back, and we do have that Wings logo that is different on this one. So on the BRED toe Low, you do have this, and then you do have that patch there. So as you can see right here, the quality is just A1 all the way down to the booty. Look at the quality on that booty. You know what I'm saying? Look at the toe box quality. The quality is A1 on this one, and then with this one you kind of just get that, you know, your standard Jordan 1. So as you guys can see here, shiny, that's probably going to crease as soon as you put them on. And then this one, you know, I wore this shoe quite a bit and it has not creased. You do not get any extra laces with this one. If I'm not mistaken, I got about 2 laces, maybe 3 pair of laces with this one, but they're all in the same box. But besides that, everything is the same. On the high OG ones, you do have that red Nike Air on there, and like I said, on this one you do have that Jumpman logo right there. So y'all let me know down below, how do y'all feel about Nike giving us this shit? They didn't have to give us anything close to that bread toe colorway, but they were able to give us something at an affordable price. Right now, if you are looking for this shoe is currently sitting at about 180 bucks on StockX and GOAT. Shipped to you might be right at $200 or maybe even a little bit less. So not a bad price for this sneaker. Like I said, if you're looking for this one, if you're looking for this, you $700 in the hole, fam. Like easy, $800 shipped to you. Just a crazy price for this one. So if you're able to get your hands on this one after seeing this review, go ahead and scoop it up, cop it, let me know. Comment below, let me know you was able to cop it and what's your thought about it when you get it in hand. And also follow me on IG and let me know over there, man. But like I said, I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Y'all already know the sayings. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, the shoes we talk about, this sneaker right here, this bread toe right here, yeah, y'all see that thing. It's just bait, man. A way for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
No synthetic, if they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got true, never slack on the brew for OGs in the